Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Andy. Today I am going to share with you some of the important neck exercises and eye exercises. Actually, these neck exercises were asked by one of my viewers, so I am sharing you now. The benefits of these neck exercises are, by doing these neck exercises, you can reduce neck pains, any type of neck pains, and also you can regulate the thyroid levels, and also those who are suffering with spondylitis can do these exercises very slowly by taking the advice of a doctor. Now sit on a mat in any of your convenient position, or else if you can't sit on a mat, you can also sit on a bed and also do these neck exercises. The first one, turn your neck slowly towards right side completely, and again bring back to the normal position as shown in the video. Do this exercise at least 5 to 6 times. These neck exercises regulate the thyroid gland very much, thereby allow the thyroid gland function properly. Sometimes during night our neck pains, so these exercises also help in relieving that pain. Now the other side. Turn slowly your neck towards left side completely. Repeat this for about 5 to 6 times. Now the second one. Turn your neck in a crescent shape from right to left and from left to right as shown in the video. Repeat this for about 5 to 6 times slowly. Remember to turn your neck only. Your body should be stiff. Your body should not move. Now the third one. Bend your neck towards the right side as shown in the video, and just gently lift the neck and see the top as shown in the video. Repeat this for about 5 to 6 times as shown in the video. Those who are suffering with thyroid problems can do this neck exercise regularly to regulate the thyroid gland. Don't do the exercise very fastly, you have to do slowly. Now the other side. Repeat the same exercise the other side, the left side, 5 to 6 times. These neck exercises will definitely give relief from neck pains Andy. Now the last one. Rotate your neck slowly in both clockwise and anti-clockwise as shown in the video, each for about 5 times. You have to rotate as much slow as you can in a circular position. These are the few neck exercises and you can do these neck exercises regularly for controlling the thyroid levels and also for reducing any neck pains, and also those who are suffering with spondylitis can also try these neck exercises very slowly. Now I am going to share with you few eye exercises. These eye exercises help in reducing 0.5 sight, also make our eyes glow due to the blood circulation into the eyes. The first exercise, lift your eyes and try to see the top. Stare at the top as much as you can and relax. Again, stare as much as you can at the top and then relax. Repeat this for about 5 to 6 times. Your head should not move up, only your eyes should look up. Now the second exercise, move your eyeballs to the right and left as shown in the video. Repeat this for about 5 to 6 times. If you want to relax in between, you can relax for a minute and again repeat this exercise. You should not turn your face, only your eyes should move right and left. Now the third one. Rotate your eyeballs circularly both in clockwise and anti-clockwise as shown in the video. Repeat each for about 5 to 6 times. Remember to turn your eyeballs only, don't move your face. Now the other side. Rotate your eyeballs the other side. You can take a break and relax your eyes if you can't do at a time. These eye exercises help in increasing blood flow into the eyes and thereby increases the glow of the eyes and also reduces any 0.5 eyesight. Now the last exercise, Move your eyelids up and down as shown in the video. You should not move your face up and down. Only your eyelids should move up and down. Repeat this for about 5 to 6 times. Those who are busy and can't do these neck exercise and eye exercise regularly can at least try to do these exercises weekly once. These are some of the eye exercises, and by doing these eye exercises we can improve the glow of the eyes and also we can reduce the eyesight by 0.5. I hope you like this video. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon so that you will get more yoga videos in your updates. And those who are already subscribed to my channel, please like, share to your friends and also comment on my video. And also please watch my videos regularly and also encourage me for doing more yoga videos. See you all in another yoga video. Until then, take care. Bye.